Throttle cut off.
Most feel like I'm behind.
0.
Of course, it's pretty early.
Gear up.
Those intakes show up good when you're looking directly at it.
25%. 50%. 1 minute, 50%.
Okay, we're gonna get ready to land. Might cut this leg short just so I have enough space.
Yeah, you're going to need to come down a little so you make this fine.
Mm. 20 seconds. 50%.
Where'd I go? Did it lose direction?
Yeah.
Crap.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Okay.
4.
It went, it switched directions on me.
Timer expired. Land
Or I lost orientation, one of the two.
50%.
Okay. Let's try that again. See what happened?
0, 25%, 50%, 0.
No! Twice I went in that corner and it started spiking to the left instead of the right.
Gear up. %. 50%. One minute. Gear down. Landing flaps. 50%. 0. 25%. 0. Reverse full. Throttle cut off. 0. 25%. 0. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes. Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flap 25%. 50%. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 0. Five, 6, 5, 0.
Just because I got it don't mean I got to use it. Get up this time. I'm gonna put the landing gear up. I think I played with fate enough.